If you're new to Adobe Premiere, then you want to get to know the best sections of the software that work with your workflow and screen setup. With my setup, I have one ultra-wide monitor for my timeline and effects, and one more colour-accurate monitor as my main monitor. You can completely customise your layout quickly and easily by selecting and dragging each panel to the place you feel works best for you, and then save these as a workspace. You can also set up your keyboard to how you prefer to work. So if you're moving to Premiere from FCP, then you can select the FCP keyboard to save you from having to relearn all of those shortkeys in Premiere. Another great new feature for Premiere is the way you can organise your clip order to create a rough edit before taking them onto the timeline. To do this, just click the new icon at the bottom for freeform view and start ordering your clips into the preferred order. Then once you're ready, drag them onto your timeline. You can also use this to visualise your project before making those all-important edit choices. I really hope you found this little tip useful. For more tips and tricks on Adobe Premiere, make sure you check out the rest of the series with Wex Photo Video.